Hello friends, my name is Pratik and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to see that if you are using BHIM SBI Pay application and if you have already added a beneficiary account in the application and if you wish to transfer the money to the beneficiary account. So what are the steps involved in that I'm going to explain. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and without wasting any time, let's start the video. To send money to beneficiary account in BHIM SBI Pay application, you have to open the application first. You have to select customer option on the next page and you have to click on continue. You have to enter 6-digit app pin and then you can start the application. So once the application is completely started, this is the kind of interface which you will be able to see on your mobile screen. So you will get multiple options on this page. You can see your UPI ID, your bank account and all the other details on this page. To transfer money to beneficiary account, all you have to do is you have to tap on pay option first. Once you click on pay, you are on the next page, and on this page you will get three options. One is at VPA, which is your UPI ID, IFSC, and the last option is QR. So either you can transfer money via UPI ID or else you can enter the IFSC code details or you can scan the QR. But as I'm going to tell you that we are transferring the money in beneficiary account. So I have already added a beneficiary account in BHIM SBI Pay application. So all you have to do is you have to tap on IFSC. So once you select IFSC, you will get next page, and on this page you have to enter the beneficiary account number, amount and any particular message if you want. But if I tap on beneficiary account number, at the bottom, you can see I have already added a beneficiary account over here. So I have already made a video on this one. How can you add a beneficiary account in BHIM SBI Pay application? So you can watch that video on my channel as well. So you have to select the beneficiary account over here. After selecting the beneficiary account, you have to enter the amount and optional message over here, and at the bottom you can select the bank account from which you wish the amount should be debited. So for example, I am going to transfer 5,000 over here, and in remark I will be entering test option. Now I want my amount to be debited from other bank account. So what I'll do is I will select this other bank account over here, and after entering all the details, you can confirm the details and you can click on blue color tick sign at the bottom. So there is a pop-up message and you can confirm all the details on this page over here, and after confirming all the details you have to click on yes. So we are on the final page right now, and you can see on this page I have to enter 6-digit UPI pin, and once the pin is successful, transaction will be done. So I'll enter the pin and I'll show you. So the payment is successful, as you can see on the screen right now. The payment is successful. You can see the amount, you can see the UPI ID from which the amount is debited, you can see the account number to which the amount is credited. You can also see the date and time of transaction and the reference number. So these are the simple steps by following which you can simply transfer the money to beneficiary account in BHIM SBI Pay application. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.